Alrighty, if you've been watching my videos, you know that sometimes I do fake Pokemon over on the Lemon Squid Channel. For this episode, we decided to do something a little scary. That's right, we're doing Cryptids. And we definitely met up for this very real phone call where we definitely spun the wheel to see which Cryptids we got.
Okay, and our first time spinning the wheel, we are spinning for Travis, and his Cryptid will be the Grafton Monster! Congratulations!
Holy smokes, I too am excited to react to this in real time. I have no idea what the Grafton Monster is.
Next up, we have Heath, the Loch Ness Monster!
Wow, that's my favorite cryptid. I can't wait to make a Pokemon out of that guy. Can we start now?
For Rob, we have Wendigo. Ooh.
So, yeah, my name is Rob Coleman. I do pretty much everything in massing. And, yeah, I'm super stoked to, turn the Wendigo into a Pokemon.
And last but not least, yours truly. Oh no. Oh no! Loveland Frogman! Oh, I wanted Mothman! That's like Ohio's rip-off version of Mothman. Boo! Okay. That's our Cryptid.
So, what is the Grafton Monster? I hope I spelled it right. Ooh. I guess that's what it looks like in Follow. Yeah, I think I can come up with some ideas for this. This is pretty cool. I like this. Let's see if we can look at some images here. See what people have drawn before. This kind of already looks like those one Pokemon Reggie dudes.
The Reggie dudes.
I probably shouldn't have looked at some of this art because I like to get my own inspiration, but I kind of have to know what it looks like. But he also said we could do evolutions and anything else we want to add to it. I'm thinking I'm going to make some like secret Pokeballs or something for these Cryptids. Said it looked like he had no heads, and some people are drawing it with heads. The lore changes, I guess. Ooh, look at this guy. Oh yeah. I think I got some good ideas for this one. Let's get started. In the shadowed hollows of West Virginia, the Grafton Monster stands as a peculiar enigma among cryptid lore. Some say more obscure and enigmatic than the likes of Mothman or Bigfoot. The limited details surrounding this behemoth stem primarily from an initial encounter reported by journalist Robert Cockrell of the Grafton Sentinel. His tale unfurls on the evening of June 16, 1964, as Cockrell journeyed homeward along Riverside Drive, a route skirting Grafton High School and tracing the Tigard River, when his eyes met with an immense pale obstruction in a roadside clearing. The entity bore a stark alabaster hide like a seal's, and lacked any discernible head, its stature looming at an impossible 7 to 9 feet tall. The creature had an eerie stillness as Cockrell drove past, a stillness that seeded dread deep within him on his return home. Compelled by a mix of fear and curiosity, Cockrell, accompanied by 2 comrades, ventured back to the site only to find the entity vanished, its presence marked solely by a sizable impression in the grass. The narrative paints a picture of a creature that seemed to exist one moment and then vanish into the ether the next, but never truly departing the area. As the trio scoured the location, a peculiar subdued whistle emanated from the river's direction, yet the origin of the sound remained unseen. This incident swiftly became the talk of Grafton. Folks have searched the scene, armed with weapons in a quest to unearth the beast. However, the Grafton Monster has eluded discovery, fading into local legend with no subsequent sightings of note in the 6 decades following its mysterious appearance. Whether or not you believe in creatures such as Bigfoot or the Mothman, you have to admit, the creativity behind their lore and features account for some of the most interesting stories. The fact that there is no proof often leaves your mind to fill in the blanks and wonder, what's out there? Since I only looked up so many details about the actual creature, I figured I'd come up with a way to explain the art I'm making to incorporate it into the Pokemon universe. For the background of the pre-evolution, you'll notice that it is on the floor in a structure that has tiled floors and a scattered mess. Both creatures are being cast in light from a device in our point of view. Okay, now that we have two forms, I'm going to go ahead and make some Pokeballs to contain these monsters. Once I got to the Pokeball design, the rest of the story came together. The cryptid Pokemon could be found in the remains of dilapidated research facilities throughout what I like to call the Lemon region. I realize now that a better term to put on the label would have been something more like specimen, but these experiments are cryptid Pokemon finally discovered and captured by these scientists. What happened to them, their research, and their facilities is unknown. Though some of the papers on the desk lead you to believe that some of their experiments weren't as successful. If you want to see all the designs that everyone else had, you're going to have to go over to the Lemon Squid Channel and check out the Cryptid Pokemon episode. I hope you enjoyed another one of my perspectives from the fake Pokemon show that the Lemon Squid has put together with Heath Holly and Rob Coleman. They are all fantastic artists and they have projects that I insist you go check out. The designs I made for this episode aren't as strong as some of the others that I've made for the other episodes, but that's just my opinion. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to see what I get into next. It's right behind me, isn't it? Stay creative, folks.
Oh, dude, that beautiful detail.
DIY, brother. Woo! Makes it look even better when you're done.